For years, Bill Nye has inspired us with his passion for science, especially space. His enthusiasm about the universe and its mysteries sparked curiosity in millions. Now, Bill Nye is excited about the latest discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. These discoveries offer a view of the universe as it was over 13 billion years ago, reshaping our understanding of space. The JWST has uncovered distant planets, galaxies, and much more, marking a huge leap in our space exploration journey. It's a worthy successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, which has provided stunning images for decades. What makes the JWST's images so groundbreaking, and why are they surprising scientists? Launched on Christmas Day in 2021, the JWST has already begun changing how we see the universe. After a smooth launch and deployment, the telescope started sending back data in June 2022. This data revealed thousands of new galaxies, some even older and farther away than previously discovered. These galaxies may have started forming 150 million years before the oldest galaxy ever seen by Hubble. The JWST's ability to gather light from distant stars and exoplanets allows scientists to analyze their composition and movement. Bill Nye explains that this data provides a detailed look at distant planets' atmospheres, which could hold clues about whether they support life like Earth. One of the most iconic images from the Hubble Space Telescope is of the Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula. Hubble captured the pillars in visible light, but it couldn't reveal what was happening inside. The JWST, however, captured the infrared light emitted by protostars, new stars forming within the pillars. These stars, still in the early stages of their life, are surrounded by clouds of gas and dust, much larger than our solar system. Bill Nye emphasizes how important this image is, showing how the JWST's infrared capabilities let scientists see star formation processes that Hubble couldn't. Exoplanet discovery began in the 1990s, and now over 3,000 have been identified. However, most exoplanets are too far away to see directly. Instead, scientists measure the dimming of a star's light when a planet passes in front of it. In 2017, the first direct image of an exoplanet was taken, but the JWST has since captured its own direct image of a planet called HIP 65426b. This gas giant is 12 times the size of Jupiter and orbits its star from a distance 100 times greater than Earth's distance from the Sun. The JWST's infrared images of the Phantom Galaxy reveal its spiral shape and a bright blue center. New images also show hot dust and gas fibers streaming from the galaxy's core, shedding light on the star formation processes within the galaxy. The JWST's sharp infrared images allow astronomers to explore regions within galaxies where stars are born, measure the size and age of star clusters, and study minute particles of dust. A notable discovery was made in the Wolf-Rayet 140 star system. This star is at the end of its life, expelling most of its hydrogen. The interactions between this star and its companion have created a distinctive diffraction pattern, an imaging distortion that is key to understanding these stars' behaviors. In December 2022, the JWST spotted 4 of the oldest galaxies ever seen, dating back 13.4 billion years. These galaxies were formed just 350 million years after the Big Bang, providing crucial insights into the universe's early stages. By studying the redshift of these galaxies, scientists were able to measure their extreme distance and age, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge about cosmic history. Another major discovery came from studying exoplanets like WASP-39b, a gas giant located 700 light-years away. The JWST used its spectrographs to detect carbon dioxide in its atmosphere, helping scientists learn more about the planet's composition and conditions. This is one of the first exoplanet atmospheres studied in such detail using infrared light, offering new insights into these distant worlds. The JWST is also challenging traditional views of the early universe. Some galaxies observed by the telescope seem far more developed and organized than expected for their age, which raises questions about the processes behind galaxy formation. This could mean that star formation occurred earlier than previously thought, leading scientists to reevaluate their understanding of dark matter, gravity, and the formation of the first stars and galaxies. Bill Nye highlights that each new discovery from the JWST brings up more questions. This is the essence of science. The telescope's sensitivity has allowed scientists to see through dust clouds that previously obscured star-forming regions in our galaxy. These discoveries provide valuable insights into the life cycle of stars, from their birth in nebulae to their explosive deaths as supernovae. The JWST has even detected the faint infrared light from rogue planets that don't orbit any star. Studying these planets offers clues about planetary systems formation and what happens when planets are ejected from their orbits. Bill Nye likens the JWST to a time machine, letting us peer back to the origins of the universe by capturing the faintest light from billions of years ago. In the future, the JWST will collaborate with other observatories like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, and the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Together, these instruments could lead to groundbreaking discoveries, like the first image of a planet similar to Earth or finding evidence of life-supporting conditions on distant worlds. The legacy of the Hubble Space Telescope lives on in the discoveries it made and the inspiration it provided to generations of scientists and explorers. Bill Nye continues to inspire us with his enthusiasm for space, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is an exciting and never-ending journey. The JWST is pushing the limits of what we know about the universe, challenging our current understanding and providing answers to questions that we haven't even thought to ask yet. Science is an ongoing journey of discovery, and the JWST's revelations are just the beginning of what will surely be a future full of awe